everyone, hopefully you're doing well. I am Molly from digitizings.com. After many requests, today we'll share details about ZSK Racer 1 XL 24 needle embroidery machine. But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out digitizings.com. Services start at just $5, fast delivery, free edits, and secure payment options. Common problems and troubleshooting: ZSK Racer 1 XL 24 needle embroidery machine. Introduction: the ZSK Racer 1 XL 24 needle embroidery machine is a high-performance machine used by professionals for detailed and multi-color embroidery. However, like any machine, it can face issues over time. In this video, we will discuss common problems with the ZSK Racer 1 XL and how to troubleshoot them effectively. 1. Thread breaks frequently causes incorrect threading, poor quality or old thread. Tension settings are too tight or too loose, damaged or incorrect needle. Troubleshooting steps: rethread the machine carefully following the threading guide. Use high quality embroidery thread and replace old thread. Adjust thread tension to ensure smooth flow. Check the needle for damage and replace if necessary. 2. Needle breaks repeatedly causes wrong needle type or size. Fabric is too thick or incorrectly hooped. Incorrect speed settings. Troubleshooting steps: use the recommended needle type and size for the fabric. Ensure the fabric is properly hooped and stabilized. Reduce the machine speed when working with thick materials. 3. Machine skipping stitches causes bent or dull needle, incorrect bobbin placement, improper thread, tension. Troubleshooting steps: replace the needle with a new sharp one. Ensure the bobbin is wound correctly and placed properly. Adjust the tension settings for a balanced stitch formation. 4. Bobbin thread showing on top causes incorrect bobbin tension, improper threading of the upper thread. Troubleshooting steps: adjust the bobbin case tension according to the user manual. Ensure the upper thread is threaded correctly through all guides and tension discs. 5. Machine making unusual noise causes loose screws or parts lack of lubrication, foreign objects in the machine. Troubleshooting steps: tighten any loose screws or components. Apply machine oil as recommended in the manual. Check for thread pieces or fabric bits inside the machine and remove them. 6. Design misalignment or distortion causes fabric shifting during embroidery, incorrect hooping, loose frame or stabilization issues. Troubleshooting steps: use a proper stabilizer to keep the fabric steady. Ensure the fabric is tightly hooped. Check the embroidery frame for any looseness and secure it properly. Conclusion: regular maintenance and proper handling can prevent most of these issues with the ZSK Racer 1 XL 24 needle embroidery machine. Always refer to the machine manual for specific troubleshooting steps. If problems persist, contact a professional technician for further assistance. By following these troubleshooting tips, you can keep your machine running smoothly and ensure high-quality embroidery results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more embroidery tips.
If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.